In today's video, I'm going to teach you installing a Facebook pixel on WordPress can be done using a plugin or by manually adding the code. The goal is to get your pixel collecting data reliably so you can measure traffic, optimize ads, and build audiences. We'll walk through the recommended plugin approach first, then the manual method, and finish with a quick verification check. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Start in your Facebook account inside Events Manager within Facebook Business Suite. Choose Connect Data Sources, select Web, and click Connect. Pick Meta Pixel, give it a clear name that matches your website, and finish the prompts. Facebook will generate a pixel ID. Keep this handy, because you'll paste it into WordPress in a moment. Now switch to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, then Add New. Search for a Facebook pixel-friendly plugin. Popular options include PixelYourSite, the official meta for WordPress plugin, or a general code manager like WP Code or insert headers and footers. Install and activate your chosen plugin. Open the plugin's settings area, paste your pixel ID into the dedicated field, and save. That's it for the plugin method. Many plugins also offer extras like automatic event tracking or advanced matching. Consider those later, but the basic connection works as soon as you save. If you prefer not to use a plugin, you can add the code manually. Back in Events Manager, after creating your pixel, choose the option to install the code manually and copy the entire pixel base code. In WordPress, go to Appearance, then Theme File Editor, and open the header.php file, or whichever file controls the head section of your site. Paste the pixel base code just before the closing tag and save. A quick tip: manual edits can be overridden by theme updates, so consider using a child theme or a safe header injection method if you expect frequent updates. With either method, let's verify the installation. Install the Meta Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Visit your website, refresh the page, and click the extension icon. You should see your pixel detected and a page view event firing. If you don't, check for ad blockers, clear your site and browser cache, and make sure you didn't install the pixel twice through both a plugin and manual code. Give Events Manager a few minutes to reflect new activity. That's the complete process. Use the plugin for simplicity and easy updates, or go manual if you want tight control. Once the pixel is active, you're ready to configure events and start optimizing your campaigns. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.